London was never meant to be comfortable. It was built through fire, plague, empire, collapse, and reinvention. In 1666, the Great Fire destroyed most of the city. In the 14th century, the Black Death wiped out nearly half of its population. During World War II, bombs fell for 57 consecutive nights in what became known as the Blitz. And yet, London never stopped functioning. It rebuilt, it reorganized, it adapted. That instinct to survive is still in the structure of the city. Walk through London and you're walking across centuries at the same time. Roman walls still stand beneath modern streets. The Tower of London has guarded the river since 1078. And just across the skyline, the Shard, 310 meters of glass and steel, cuts into the clouds. Few cities show their timeline this openly. More than 9 million people live here today. Over 300 languages are spoken daily, making London one of the most multicultural cities on Earth. This isn't just a British capital, it's a global operating system. And then there's the money. The City of London, just 1 square mile, is one of the most powerful financial districts in the world. Trillions of dollars move through its institutions every year. Deals are signed quietly in buildings older than entire countries. But London isn't only power and politics, it's culture that reshaped the world. Shakespeare performed here, the Beatles recorded here, punk exploded here in the 1970s. Grime music was born in its housing estates and later influenced global sound. The London Underground, opened in 1863, became the world's first subway system, and today carries millions of passengers every day through a maze beneath the city. Royal ceremonies unfold with centuries of tradition, while protests, fashion revolutions, and underground movements rise on the same streets. Buckingham Palace and street art in Shoreditch, ancient cathedrals and brutalist concrete towers, markets like Borough and Camden, where history smells like spices and street food. London doesn't try to be perfect. It absorbs pressure. It transforms crisis into structure. It turns chaos into continuity. This was once the center of an empire that controlled nearly a quarter of the world's land and population. Today, its influence moves through finance, media, fashion, and diplomacy. London learned something most cities never do: how to endure, not by staying the same, but by constantly evolving. And that's why it still matters. Not because it shines the brightest, not because it's the newest, but because London knows how to survive the century and then shape the next one.